Hello guys. Welcome back to another how-to video. Today we're going to be building a flexible tip paper airplane. As you guys can see, it's a flexible tip plane. So if you flex it this way, it will kind of make the plane like more like a stunt plane. If you flex it this way, it'll make the plane like go faster or more farther. So yeah. Right over here, we have our normal printing paper, and I am gonna fold it vertically, half. Kind of make it perfect. Align the creases, align the sides perfectly, and crease it well. Okay, as you guys can see, I have my half creased, half creased printer paper. Okay, now I am gonna open the folded piece, and I am gonna take the top right side of the paper and fold it along the line that we have just created. And try making it perfect. And take the other left side of the paper and do the same thing. And crease it well. Okay, so now we have kind of like a house structure over here. Take your top pointing piece and fold it about a quarter way of the folded side, and crease it like nicely. And as you guys can see, the paper should look like this. And then take the top right side and fold it down like so, and align it with the line that we have created 2 steps back. And crease it well. And do the same thing to your left side. And try aligning the paper with the crease the best you can. And crease it well. So your paper should look like this now. And the next part, what we have to do now is fold it back, like this, as you guys can see, and take this piece of this side of the paper airplane, and you should align this side over here to right over here. Oh, and also all the other sides, align it with this side. This will be like our wings of the plane. And guys, try making it perfect. The more perfect it is, the better it's gonna fly. And give it a quick crease. And do the exact same thing to the other side of the paper. Try aligning the paper. And this is how our now paper plane is gonna look like. Now kind of open up the backside of your plane and take this part of your plane and basically like put it in, making making this part kind of like I would say like I don't know the exact word for it, but just making it kind of like to look like this. So this is how our plane is now looking like. And now for like the flexible tip kind of thing, first kind of open up your paper. This is gonna be a little bit like thick. So just take this part of your paper and kind of like push it inwards. As you guys can see, it gets a little messy, but it's okay. Right now I am folding the flexible part right now, and there we go. So now it's flexible. Don't worry about this, it's completely fine. So yeah, let's give it a fly, and yeah. That was with the tip not flex. This is with the tip like flex. Yeah. You guys ready? You guys see that stunt? So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have not, and yeah.